the whole world. What we're all about, we the girls with a passion for fashion. Bratz.
Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Minaliciouss back with the delicious video. You already know. Now in today's video we are doing a Bratz doll challenge. This was my look. Stay tuned and keep watching if y'all want to see how I have created this crazy Bratz doll look. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, the subscribe button. If it's still red, that means you haven't subscribed, so make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell notification button so you can see every time I post a new video. You can get notified. Make sure you subscribe. Okay, so let's get right into it. I'll be transferring myself into this Bratz doll here. You already know. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my eyebrows. I'm gonna try to make my eyebrows skinny as possible. I'm just brushing it out. So I'm just gonna go in with this Tarte concealer and conceal my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go in with the Stay Don't Stray concealer to do my eyeshadow. Go ahead and dab this eyeshadow base. So next I'm just going with this Morphe X James Charles palette. I'm going in with this shade. It's called Punch Me. It looks like she had brown and then like red at the top of her eyelids right here. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just going in with this color Roosted up here, kind of light red. I'm just blending that out. Now I'm just gonna dab it in to like kind of get a darker shade and then just blend it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the edge of my eyes. So yes, I just blend this outwards. I'm just focused above the eye here and now going to need down below. So I'm just going ahead and cutting the crease. You know, it was something like this. So this is what we're gonna leave it as in right now. And she kind of had like black like in the crease of her, like at the end of her eyes. It was like, it wasn't too much. It was like right here on my eyelids right here. I'm gonna go in with this color Code James and just put it right here. You know, it's like Halloween, spooky season, so we're just gonna go and do some spooky Bratz look. She had eyeliner, so we're gonna go in with this eyeliner. So that's what she did with her eyeliner. We're just gonna go ahead and use the same color under my eyelids. So next what I'm gonna do is my eyelashes. So I'm just gonna go in with some mascara. So what I have done is just cut like the end of my eyelashes. Like use some eyelashes you're not using and just cut the end of it. Let it dry out. So that's how I'm gonna do my eyelashes for today. So yes, so 3 strips. Number 1 strip is gonna go under here. 2 and 3. This is how I'm gonna leave my eye look. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my face with the Hydrate Revolution Makeup Primer. Before I create like the devil look on one of my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and just do my face first. the 24-hour by Maybelline foundation. I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm gonna go in with this contour 3D. I'm gonna go in with the spoon brush here. I'm gonna contour right here, my nose. See, the Bratz doll, their nose look like they ain't even got no nose. So for our nose, we're gonna contour it, and we're gonna act like we don't have a nose. Just gonna use this small brush to blend it in. I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal my under eyes. Have you ever watched Bratz doll like when you were young? It used to be the show. So my favorite Bratz doll was Yasmin. Comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite Bratz doll, you know? Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. If you are still watching, hit the subscribe button. Ooh, Bratz. Let me know. You know their theme song, it used to be something like that. So I'm just gonna go in with this banana deep baking powder. So I'm just gonna go in and blend this out. So I'm just gonna go in with this Kiss powder. I'm gonna go in with this brush and I'm just gonna kind of blend that out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face to set that in. We're gonna go in with the MAC highlight and I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my nose. Like right there. And then I'm gonna get up here too. You can never go wrong with too much highlight. So I'm just gonna go in with my highlighting brush and I'm just gonna get my cheeks. That's how we are gonna highlight my face today, okay? I'm just following my lips and I'm just lining that up. I'm gonna go in with this color. And I'm just gonna go in with this like lip gloss. So we're gonna go in with this color, lip gloss. Okay, so now I'm just gonna create this like devil look on my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do it on this eyebrow. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. That's what we're gonna do with this. We're just gonna leave it like this, okay? And then what she did was like she had like this thing going down her eyes.
I kind of like this. Let me not.
You know, yo, you feeling me? Oh, baby. So, guys, this is the finished look. Don't I look like one of them Bratz though? Huh. So, yes, this is the finished look. And then she had like a thing like this, something like that. Then that neck thingy, you know. And then I just clipped my clippers with this. I just did that with it, okay? This is the look. Yes, I did this look. If you guys like this look, make sure you like and comment and tell me what is your favorite Bratz doll. Ooh, Bratz. Hey, 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 hey. Yes, tell me what your favorite Bratz doll is. This one is the one I have created. video? Cause you know them Bratz doll makeup be, it be cute, you know. This is it. This is a Bratz look challenge, and I did mine, and this is how it came out. Thank you for watching. Tell me what you guys think about this look. Okay. If you like this, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another video. Bye.